Hi students of class 2. Today we are going to do the last portion of the chapter, that is the special key. Some more we are going to do today, that are caps lock key, shift key, tab key and escape key. So let us start the class. Everyone turn to page number 31. 31 and 32 we are going to do today. So get ready with the book. Let us start the class.
Caps lock key. These are the caps lock key. See in the keyboard, this is the caps lock key. Now, caps lock key is on. The letters that we type will appear in capital. We can see a green light above the numeric keypad. That means the caps lock key is on. If this light is off, that means the caps lock key is not on, and the typing will all be in small letters. Next, shift key. This one is the shift key, and in the computer this one is one shift key and we have another shift key here. Okay, this is one shift key and this one is another shift key. Clear everyone? Next, there are two shift keys. This key is used along with the other keys. Some keys have two characters on them, especially the punctuation marks and the special symbols are marked on the upper side of the keys. To type any of this symbol, we must press the shift key along with the other key. See, some of the special keys are there with the numbers. You can see it. The punctuation marks, two symbols are there in one key. So how to use these upper symbols? Using the shift key pressed, if you press this key along with the shift key, that means this punctuation, upper punctuation mark will be used. Clear everyone? Next, shift key is also used to type the letters in capital. That means whenever we type M, if the caps lock key is off, if we press the shift key with the M key, and it will be in the capital letter. Quick bite. To type only a few letters in capital, press the shift key with that letters. Now there is one flash test. What will you get when you type the following? Shift plus 4. You will get this sign $. Shift plus 2. You will get this sign @ When caps lock key is on, this will give this, and shift plus K will give small letter K. The tab key is used to move the cursor right by 5 spaces at a time. This is the tab key. This is the tab key. So if we press this tab key, the cursor will be moved 5 spaces at a time. Escape key. This one is the escape key. Escape key is found on the top left corner of the keyboard. It is used to cancel or close a menu. For example, if we have clicked on the start button, you will click on escape to close the menu. Clear? To cancel or close any menu, we use the escape key. The QWERTY keyboard was created by Christopher Solus in 1868. Now, today's HW will be to write this let's recap in the computer CW copy.
I think the CW work is clear. The HW work is to read page 31 and 32 line by line along with the let's recap of page number 32. So see you on the next class. Bye bye.